I'm gonna get my hat on. Hey guys, welcome back this fine winter morning. There's a little bit of sunshine coming in. Look at that. Oh, I miss summertime. Anyways, so today we're gonna be removing the hood on this Jeep Wrangler YJ. And why am I removing it? Well, it's actually given me a few issues. So I'm in the major parts of the rebuild on this Jeep Wrangler YJ, and I just need it out of the way. Two reasons, my two biggest reasons are it acts like a big soundboard, so my audio kind of sounds echoey with this thing here, so I want to get rid of it. Also, I'll be able to get some new cool camera angles. I can put the camera up on the windshield or whatever, you know, just to get some good shots. So why would you want to remove your hood? Well, it's possible that the alignment of your hood is just off and you need to realign it. We're going to cover that real quick. And another reason, maybe one of the biggest, is perhaps you need to repaint it. You're repainting your vehicle. Removing the hood is really easy and it'll make repainting your vehicle a lot easier. The other option, say you're cutting a vent in the top of your hood. Actually, if you've done that, I'd love to have a picture of it. Send it to JeepSolid.com, or sorry, Dale@JeepSolid.com. Or you can go to my Facebook page, JeepSolid, and you can send me a picture there. I'd love to post it because that's something I'm considering. Now I've already hit these bolts with a little blast of PB Blaster. Good stuff, I really believe in this. Hit it with a little bit of PB Blaster, let this soak for a while. As you can see, the previous owner busted off one of the bolts on this anyways. Might have to do a bolt extraction on that. Now if you're removing your hood to paint it, or you're gonna cut a hole in the top for a vent or something, and you wanna get the alignment the same, get it in the exact same spot, here's a few tips on how you can save yourself a little bit of headache. Just grab some masking tape and make a quick outline of where the hinge sits currently so you can get it back in the exact same spot. This will save you some alignment issues down the road. Now you also have these rubber grommets. These rubber grommets that sit around the front end of your vehicle and actually serve two purposes. First, of course, they keep metal off of metal so you don't have vibration and that kind of thing. But also, these help with hood alignment a bit. Double check these, make sure you're not missing any, as I am. I'm gonna have to buy some replacements. They're fairly cheap. I'll link them in the description below. All right, as you'll notice, I've only put masking tape on one hinge because I don't really care about the alignment. This hood's coming off and it's gonna stay off for quite a while. Engine's coming up out of this, it's gonna be repainted. There's a whole bunch of work to do. Now these guys actually take a Torx bit T40. All right, help me lift this hood.
Okay. I just read like 40 pages in a book.
So now we've got those. So can you like get under there and under here, and I'll get on the other side. You okay?
Yeah, pinch me.
Don't let it pinch you. So now we can remove the hood and double check our alignment, paint it, cut a hole in the top, I don't know, whatever you need to remove your hood for. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Removing the hood is one of the best things you can do. Get it one of the best things you can do. It's a super simple process. Super simple. I say that a lot. Anyways, of where the hinge sits, of where the hinge, quick outline of where the hood, this vehicle's going on.